guys, this is Anne. I just wanted to add next video is or next step is you add more vegetables into your diet. Now I talked about the first one, fruits and vegetables in the morning. Then the next one was adding more greens, which is in form of smoothies or in form of soups. Now the next one, how do you add when you're eating your cooked food? How do you add more vegetables into your diet that you're going to enjoy? So the one important thing I learned is when you're eating your cooked food, you can add raw salads. It can be things like adding tomatoes with onions and a few of the herbs. I have very easy everyday things you can do. I'll put a link if you're interested in the whole procedure on how to add more healthy foods into your diet, so you can avoid eating the bad foods or the addictive foods, as I would call them, into your diet. So that's one of the things. You just add more raw vegetables. For example, when you're eating your ugali or your sukuma wiki, you're going to add more salads. For example, kachumbari. If you know what kachumbari is, it's a very simple recipe where you just add onions, garlic, danias, which you call them cilantro, and lime and some salt, and you mix it up and you eat it with your food, and it makes you eat less of the food you have because the raw foods have more nutrients in them. Okay, that's all I had for today, and yes, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.